This man was selling a sawdust bag.
Yeah, this is Junior Ignazi. What do you want?
The next day.
Incoming call.
Good day. The party of this residence is unavailable to accept your call at present. They request that you leave a detailed correspondence involving the nature of your business. They will consider your request and a response will be afforded at their earliest convenience. Thank you for your kind consideration. Good day.
End of messages.
We called him again a week later, but he didn't answer. As was the case the last time, he left us a weird voicemail. This is it. Another week later, rinse and repeat.
You called my phone at 2:16 in the morning 4 times. If you don't return my call and explain why, I'm turning this number in to authorities.
The end.